Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card. We are going to play with the ink machine for foil, heat transfer foil, and also with alcohol inks, specifically the pearls alcohol ink. As you see, I'm adding to my um, watercolor pencil, I'm adding alcohol blending solution to help me with the coloring. And I did this technique before that I scan the stamping, the small stamping, because I love big images in cards. I say this before, sorry to repeat myself. And I just scan them and print them in bigger setting. When I print this one, I print on the laser machine, not in the inkjet, because as I say, we're going to play with the ink transfer foil. As you see here, I just add the pure alcohol ink to this palette, and I just use the pencil that I fill with the alcohol blending solution, and it runs very smoothly. It doesn't bleed. In one little tiny part it bleed a little bit, as you see here in the brown one, but it was because I just squeeze the pencil. But if you let it go the way it is, it's no problem. And I'm using here the cheapest cardstock you can find. I'm using here a cardstock that is very light from Walmart. I don't know if it's the laser ink that keep the ink inside the the, the images, the frames that they have, the hair, the face, the dress, or I really don't know. But what I can tell you is these inks, they are not only for alcohol paper or jubo paper, whatever you want to call it, because they work very nice in normal cardstock. I love it. I love it. I just get hooked with this technique. The faces, because I don't have an alcohol ink that I can color the faces, I did color the faces with the copy markers. I use E00, E01, E02, and for the cheeks I use RV10. Um, for real, I was amazed about this. When I started doing this, I was thinking that the alcohol is going to make the ink run everywhere and I don't going to have control of it, but I did have control of the ink. And also is very good in blending. You can have lights and shadows with this technique. When I finish coloring and everything dry, and that's the other thing, it dries immediately. It's so much fun because you don't have to wait or anything. It dries very fast. I'm just hoping Tin Holes make more colors of this ink very soon because they look amazing. They are shiny, they are pretty, all plus 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 with these Perks alcohol inks. When I'm finished coloring, I'm just going to place my dolls, the little fairies, to how do you call this? The foil paper. Sorry, I'm using the Mink hot transfer foil paper, and I'm going to use the holographic. I'm trying to buy black foil paper because I was thinking to leave some of them in black, but I didn't want to leave them in the laser ink. I'm going to do all of them in the holographic heat transfer foil paper. They look very nice, but some people don't like this look of the holographic. You can use maybe just silver or whatever color you prefer. The setting that I'm using in the Mink machine is going to be 3. I don't know, I never try 5 or 4. I think it's too much, but maybe it will look better for bigger areas when you're using your laser printer. As you see here, I'm just placing here inside the plastic, and the magic just happened. Look how cute she look the difference with the other doll. I already made all of them, and I'm not going to show all the cards that I made with them here. Just I don't going to make it on camera. I'm going to show you in the last part of the video. I'm going to show you how the cards turn out, but I'm just going to show a little bit of the first 2 cards, because what I want to show you in this video is the technique with the alcohol purse and the foil machine. For these clouds, I'm using the tumble glass distress oxide inks, and I also using the pearls, the powder that call it pearls. This guy looks so nice. You have to see it. You have to make it because it looks so good in person. It's so shiny, and I want to use everything that is related to pear or foil. You will see me in the second card using a paper for the background of the card that is pearlescent paper. I find those in a store here, and they are very nice. They don't have too much variety of colors, but they are very nice because they are very thick and stable paper. And you see here, I also adding polka dots on the ink, and no problem at all. I just wait a little bit, they dry, and they dry perfectly. I don't know if you can see very well in the camera, but this is the pearlescent paper, like the pink I was using in the other car. The grass is just white cardstock that I colored with my distress oxide inks, and just placing here in the middle of the car. I'm going to start adding some clouds that I mix normal cardstock, like white plain cardstock, and pearlescent white cardstock to have a contrast in the clouds. I also going to add brats in the shape of dragonflies. I think that's the way I think they are dragonflies. And these tiny flowers, they are very pretty. I think they are for nail decor, but they look so nice that they are made in clay, and they look so nice that I just put it in this card. When I'm finished all the cards, I just going to add the card base on each one and some frames. You will see that I made 2 cards that are 4.25 by 5.5, and I made 1 card that is 4.5 by 4.5 by 5.75, and the other card is 5.75 by 5.75, because I add 2 dolls in the same card. Here are all my cards. Well, I hope you like them. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, goodbye.